Hello, ngiyanibingelela. You can call me Umpilo Wasemhlengikazi. Today we'll be discussing the topic on izithunywa. Most importantly, how to communicate with isithunywa sakho okanye izithunywa zakho, because I believe ekuthenini izithunywa sihamba nazo sonke and asibi sinye. Kepha we have multiple of izithunywa kithi ezihambisana nathi bese kushaya ngokuthi iziphi efinyelela kuthini based on ama-needs wethu, because kuyashintshisana. If udinga into ethile, isithunywa sakho sibona ukuthi sidinga into ethile, wena udinga into ethile, and siyabona ukuthi nayo sikhona ukulekelela lapho noma sinawo amandla amangako okanye aspecialize kuleyo ndima leyo. Siyahamba sihambe siyosondeza esinye, sihambe siyolanda esinye, noma sithunywe ongale emva kwaso oyiphethe, because now remember ukuthi lento ifana nje umndeni wethu usaphila, ukuthi kukhona umuntu ophethe ikhaya mhlawumbe njengogogo noma umkhulu, kodwa umuntu uma efika abuze athi ukhona umuntu omdala la ekhaya, then mese yabizwa umuntu omdala ebese indaba ebalulekile idiscusswa nomuntu omdala. Yabo, so that how it also goes uma ufika kamoya, ukuthi khona ongaleyo ngaphezulu othunyelwayo. Yes, wena ungabona kuhlezi kuvela ugogo wakho omaziyo uvashele isithunywa esithile, ungadiphendi kusona kuphela, ungacabangi ukuthi uyena kuphela okubhekile ngaleso sikhathi, noma uthi wenza isimo mhlawumbe seladi, mhlawumbe you want to honor ama-ancestors wakho noma izithunywa zakho, and then mese nobhekise kumuntu oyedwa bese ukhohlwa ungale ngemuva osebenza in the shadows, mhlawumbe kuwuyena unyazisela amabhilidi nezindonga. So going back on the topic of izithunywa and how to communicate with izithunywa zethu, first of all sizobheka lapha isimo sokuthi how you communicate with izithunywa zethu is different for everyone. Kungashiyana ngezindlela, so ngizobala nje. Firstly, isithunywa usually siyathanda ukukhuleka. Why ngithi usually? Kuya ngokuthi wena ukukhuleka kwakho ubheka kanjani, ukukhuleka nokuthandaza kuyadiphenda ukuthi wena ubheka kanjani, but isithunywa sincikile kakhulu kulezo zindawo lezo nalezo zindima lezo, because now remember ukuthi the time, please excuse the background noise, ngihle nomntana wami lana, but remember ukuthi njalo if uzokhuleka noma kuzoba khona okuthile wena okwenzayo noma okuphimisayo ngomlomo wakho, kusuke uphimisa emoyeni ukuthi lo khona emoyeni athathe indaba ayithuthe ayise lapho kumele ifinyelele khona, bese uthi loyo namaphiko uyobe eseyolanda indaba. That is a Bible verse, but iyiqiniso njengoba nje ngibeka nje kanje. So it depends ekuthenini wena ikona okukuphi okwenzayo, ngabe uyathandaza okanye uyakhuleka. Difference being ukuthi the time uthi uyakhuleka, shuthi ngiyakhuleka kusibanibani, ngiyakhuleka kusibanibani, and then ukuthandaza ukucela straight to uMvelinqaki. So ukukhuleka nakho ukuthandaza ngathi wakwenza kokubili. Abanye abantu bayakuhlanganisa uma uzwa umuntu esibiza ngisho iy'dala zakhe khona ekhuleka noma khona ethandaza. So kubalulekile ukuthi ukwenze lutho. Why ngibeka kanje? Uma uzothi uyathandaza, maybe khona eminye imimoya emibi ekhona nokukhala lapha ekuphambuka khona kamoya ekuthenini you will need to summon izidalwa zakho ney'thunywa zakho ukuze uthathe umkhuleko wakho ziwufinyelelise kuMvelinqaki, ukuthi wena elakho izwi noma wakho umkhuleko awufinyeleli straight kuMvelinqaki, ngoba khona izimo ezithile noma imimoya ethile evimba umkhuleko wakho ukuthi ufinyelele lapho kumele ufinyelele khona. And then if uzokhuleka straight to uMdali, nalokho futhi nakho kuyasiza kakhulu, because it goes straight to uMdali as long as kungekho lutho okuvimbayo. And in some instances uzothola ukuthi umbethwe isithunywa vele sezulu, vele umbethwe vele izingelosi zezulu, ukuba vele elakho izwi seliyabhala, elakho izwi seliya-recognize ngokushesha emazulwini. But it's best ukuthi ukubize kokubili. So how to communicate with isithunywa sakho? Abanye abantu uzobathola ukuthi okay, first of all isithunywa asincikile ekutheni uye esontweni, awuye esontweni, uyakholwa eBhayibhelini noma awukholwa, isithunywa sihambisana nalokhu wena uhambisana nakho. So abanye, the whole reason why ukuthi abanye mengesontweni isithunywa sami siyaphakama, isithunywa sincike kakhulu esontweni. Leso sithunywa, zonke iy'thunywa zakho zincike kakhulu esontweni. Maybe khona lowo, it's not ukuthi uke esontweni ubona ukuphakamisa isithunywa sakhe, kepha it might be that khona esinye isithunywa, zonke iy'thunywa zakhe mhlawumpe zaphakama. Khona lesi thunywa lesi esinye mhlawumpe esisodwa noma ezimbili noma ey'ntathu esi-resonate nalelo sonto lelo mhlawumpe kakona. Usually kuba ilo amasonto kamoya, iZayoni, namanye amasonto nje lapho kudlula khona umoya and stuff like that. So khona iy'thunywa zakhe ezi-resonate-ayo. Omunye uthole ukuthi khona amasonto abantu abasindisiwe, omunye uthole ukuthi isithunywa sakhe siyaphakama lapho, uzizwe evukelwa isithunywa kumasonto lawo akanjalo. But sometimes asingabheki ukuthi yisonto, but asibheke ukuthi kwenzakalani esontweni, lento evuselela isithunywa sakho. So kuyahlatshelelwa esontweni, kushawa igubhu esontweni, kushawa izandla, but most importantly kuyahlatshelelwa. So lokho ukuqaqa izwi lakho, uqaqa isifuba sakho, remember ukuthi isithunywa kahle kahle si-resonate, siphakama esifubeni isithunywa. That's what you need to know about isithunywa the most. That's what you need to know about wonke umoya okhona, uphakama kakhulu esifubeni nasemgogodla. That's why leyo phathi leyo yethu emgogodla ukhuphuke njalo phana endaweni nje kwethu loyo layini loyo awubalekile kakhulu, uze uphuma le phezulu kukhakhaya ukubalekile. But isithunywa si-resonate kakhulu esifubeni. So the more uqaqa isifuba sakho, because uma uzlalela kahle, if kushawa isigubhu sizwa la esifubeni, and if usekwavukelwa umoya before, uyezwa ukuthi indaba yakho iqala esifubeni. If sometimes uzizwa ngathi ushawa uvalo, uzwe kubhawuza lapha esifubeni, uvalo lakho lushaya kakhulu esifubeni, owazi isithunywa sakho khona into ethile zama ukuyidlulisa ngaleso sikhathi leso. So even nakho ukushaya izandla kuyagqugquzelela isithunywa sakho lapha kamoya, kugqugquzela lo moya wakho ngaphakathi kuyena ukuthi uphakame ngaleso sikhathi. So remember, it's not about going to church. Ungacabanga ukuthi so njengoba nje ngifuna ukuphakamisa isithunywa sami, now I need to go to church. No, you can stay at home uhlabelele, noma ungasabangi ingoma zesonto, hlabelele as long as it feels nice, as long as kuphuma ngaphakathi enhliziyweni, as long as ukuzwa ngaphakathi esifubeni sakho. That's why imikhuleko nemthandazo isebenza kakhulu elephume ekujuleni ngenhliziyo zethu. So if wena uphimisa okunye but inhliziyo yakho ikhuluma okunye, sekuyaphambuka lapho umoya ulalela lokho okungaphakathi ekujuleni ngezinhliziyo zethu, because that's where umoya oreside khona, umoya wethu uhlala lapho. So that is another way of communicating nesithunywa sakho nokusiphakamisa. Abanye uyaphahla. Just because isithunywa does not mean, njengoba ngisho ukuthi ningathathi isithunywa esincike kukholo. Isithunywa siwumoya, umoya ozohambisana nalokhu wena uhambisana nakho ngaphakathi ekujuleni kwenhliziyo yakho, because isithunywa siwumoya ophila kuwena. So ungaphahla, abanye bayaphahla. So I actually recommend ukuthi you use impepho yamawele. I'm not saying uhlezi kumele usebenzise impepho yamawele, wonke umuntu kumele usebenzise. Take what resonates with you, take what works for you nesithunywa sakho. Uzogcina usubamba nawe indlela ukuthi okay, if ngenza 1 2 3 iboneliso zami ziyavela, kuyakhanya khona lokhu kwenzakalayo kumina, khona into engizwa ngaphakathi enhliziyweni yami, and do what you feel is right. Uyezwa ngaphakathi. Remember indaba zama-gut feeling, indaba zokuthi hayi angizwa kahle lento, ngishiwa igazi, that is isithunywa sakho sikhuluma, and you need ukuthi usedalele. So ungaphahla impepho yamawele. Why ngithi impepho yamawele? Impepho yamawele basically so eyamawele. Remember ukuthi amawele are-intertwined, abantu ababili abafanayo ngokwazi nawo sonke isimo abazalwa ngesikhathi esiyi-1, abazalwa be-1, basically basherisha umoya labo bantu labo. So it does not necessarily have to be ukuthi iwele lakho lenyama. You also have iwele lakho lesithunywa, okuyisithunywa, that is like iwele lakho, cause isithunywa sakho uzalwa naso, wonke umuntu uzalwa kukhona i-angel nengelozi uNkulunkulu omdali athumela ukuthi ibe nawe from that day owakhonsivwa ngayo. So this is why I recommend impepho yamabele. Uyakhona nje ukuyisebenzisa iy'ndlela eziningi, ukuhlamba, ukugquma, even nakho ukuphalaza uqobo, ukuthi ukwazi ukuhlanza nokuhlenga yona le ndlela le yendima yakho le esiswini, ukuthi ukwazi ukuyisondeza nokuyiphaphamisa nokuyivusa lapho elele khona, ukuthi ikwazi ukusondelana, because yona vele hhayi kahle kahle ukuyivusa, but ukuyivusa wena enyameni ukuthi ukhumbuze inyama yakho ukuthi awukho wedwa, khona lo moya lo uhamba nawo, khona umoya lo wazalwa nawo omele usondeze eduze, wena omele wena usondele kakhulu kuyona. So if usuphahla, I recommend starting with ama-white candles if ungakazi uvezele izimo zamakhandla nezibani, because that is also important, ukuthi unake izibonakaliso zakho, unake kahle amaphupho akho, and doing izinto ezikanjena like going to church, singing, ukushaya izandla, even ukugida uqobo, stomping the ground ngey'nyawo zakho, konke lokho kuyasiza. Khona nomoya lo ugqugquzelayo novusayo. If you've ever watched my previous videos, la ngangichaza khona about ukuthi how spirituality combines ama-traditions wethu. Ngiyabala apha ngesimo sokugida sokuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani the time sisigida. So use white candles if ungazi uvenzelwe izibani kanye ama-candles kuy'bonakaliso zakho. Why ngithi white candles always awukaze wasala ndawo, ukhanyisa njalo njalo ungabuki indlela yakho nomkhuleko wakho ukuthi ukwazi ukufinyelela kumele ufinyelele khona. I also posted another video on my channel regarding indaba yezibani namakhandlela, so ngeke ngize ngijulisise kabanzi ngesimo samakhandlela kumele wasebenzise, but I do recommend starting with the white candle if ungakaze wenze lutho. And another important thing about ukuxhumana nesithunywa, how to communicate with isithunywa sakho, what you are wearing during a communication yakho nesithunywa sakho is very important. Ukuthi umbala ogqokile unjani, that is also explained in one of my videos kwi-channel yami. Kubaluleke kakhulu, and once again nalana futhi ngiyagcizelela and ngiyarecommenda actually ukuthi you use igarment emhlophe, ugqoka isembatho esimhlophe noma usenesiteshi nje elimhlophe, but put on something white if ungenaso isembatho esithile onaso noma iseshi elithile onalo osekwembulelwa lona. Why nakhona senisawona, because ngifuna ukuthi njalo njalo kube khona ukukhanya ngaphezu kwesimo sempilo yakho, and as you are praying khona ukukhanya lokho okucelayo ngaphezu kwesimo sempilo yakho ukuthi ukwazi ukuxhumana nesithunywa sakho nakahle nangokujwayela futhi. And as you use amakhandlela akho, ungajwayeli ukuthi uthi uqeda ukukhuleka usuyacima uyagijima ucima ikhandlela time uqeda kukhuleka. Leave your candle okwesikhashana, look at your candle, try to read ikhandlela lakho ukuthi liyaphakama yini, liba lide, livuthwa libe lide yini, noma livuthela phansi. Sometimes if livuthela phansi shuthi kusakhona ukujwayela kusamele ukwenze kamoya, kusakhona le communication uzama ukuyibamba, kukhona lapho engakafinyeleli kahle khona. So ufanele uqhubeke and ujulisise, uzama ukufinyelela kabanzi esifubeni sakho nasemoyeni wakho, esifubeni sakho ngisho emoyeni wakho. Focus kuleyo ndawo leyo, because isifuba sakho isona esiresult khona umoya wakho kakhulu. Read your candle. Sometimes ungazulala isibani sakho si-on, angisho ukuthi sisebenzisa isibani sakho usibeke endaweni ebucayi ekuthenini manje usuzovuthisa indlu noma igumbulala kulona, cha, but bheka nawe phela ukuthi akho lutheni eceleni engaske manje isikhoza ifire noma umlilo. But ungasheshi ucima isibani, lokho nje ngikusho ukuthi linda ukuthi umoya uthathe indima yayo, ukuthi wenze indima yayo, ukuthi siqhubeke lesibani sikhanyise endleleni, ukuthi umoya wakho nomkhuleko wakho nomsakazo wakho ufinyelele lapho ufinyelele khona, ukhanyise nakwiy'thunywa zakho nakwiy'dala zakho ukuthi baqhubeke badingide le ndaba yakho. Because remember, the time isicela, the time isikhuleka, the time isiphahla noma senze ilade noma ini, awuvele nje ubusiswe ngaleso sikhathi. Kuyahlalwa phansi kamoya iy'thunywa zakho ney'dalwa zakho, bayidingide indaba yakho, bayidingide, and discuss ukuthi okay nakhu senze 1 2 3 nangu ukhala ngo-1 2 3 bakhulume. So leaving your candle on izokhanyisa leyo nkulumo le, iqhubeke bahlale bukhanyeni ukuthi konke kukhanyele ngaphezu kwesimo sempilo yakho. Another thing and a very important one ukuthi kumele ufast. Ngiyazi sizakwazi indaba sonke indaba yokufasta, but that is a very important content about ukufasta, because now ukufasta kahle kahle angithi la njengoba ngisho ukuthi isithunywa sakho siwumoya wakho, sixhumana abantu nomoya wakho. So uthanda wena ufasta usuke ujula kabanzi emoyeni. Ujula kanjani ukufasta? Ngoba usuwenza inyama yakho ukuthi ibe buthakathaka. Angithi we all know that if ufastile ungadlile uyawuza umzimba wakho ukuthi buthakathaka, you feel weak, energy yakho iyaphela, and you are sacrificing. Uyazizwa ukuthi ulambile, but lokho kulamba kuyakukhumbuza ukuthi kungani ngenza lokho. Meaning manje imotive yakho nenhliziyo yakho nomoya wakho siba more focused kule nto ukuthi ngiyabambelela la, ngiyabambelela ekuthina ngeke ngize ngidle ngoba ngifuna 1 2 3. Leyo focus leyo naleyo focus nje leyo ukuthi uyayifuna wena lento le, kuyakwakha nakho lokho kamoya ukuthi kwenzeke. And the time manje inyama yakho ukuthi ibe buthakathaka, lapho udlisa futhi ufunza futhi usuthisa umoya wakho uqobo ukuthi nangabe kuthiwa sekufika iy'bonakaliso, because abama ufastile amaphupho akho and everything they be so clear ngale ndlela leyo ukuthi usungaze uy'sole ukuthi bengafastanga ngaso sonke lesikhathi. And awudingile ukuthi uze uqalele phezulu lapho uthi noma nje ungaqala nje uthi nje mhlawumbe from 6 angibe ngisadla from 6 ntambama khona ngizokwazi ukulala kahle ngingasuthi. And then kanjalo ugcina usushaya 3 days, ushaya uba ungayifosi kakhulu, ungagijimela kakhulu, because you might not reach lapho ufuna ukufika khona. But ukufasta nje kuyasiza impela ukuthi wazi ukwenza inyama yakho ukuthi ibe buthakathaka. And another thing, uhlezi uhlambulukile khona emoyeni, khona enyameni. Inyama yakho hlezi uyihlambululile ukuze ingeke izikwazi ukucindezela umoya wakho. So uhlambulula kanjani na? Ungathandi kakhulu ukwenza ucansi. Sometimes uvele ufastele nje lona ucansi uqobo, noma ubheke umuntu onaye uthi yena uhlambulukile yini, ngabe yena uhamba iy'ndlela ezikahle yini, nawe uhambe nawe izindlela ezikahle ezingakufakeli isinyama, ezingakufaki esinyameni. And use amanzi abaluleke kabi. I'll do another video regarding amanzi, and ngiyacanga ukuthi ngizoyihlanganisa kanye nezithunywa zamanzi sesingenisise kabanzi kwiy'thunywa zamanzi, because iy'thunywa zamanzi need their own video because ijule kakhulu. So ngizongena kuleyo video sengichaza kabanzi, but use amanzi ukuthi ukwazi ukuhlambuluka. I highly recommend amanzi empophoma, amanzi nje e-nature basically. But you can also use tap water. I-tap water bayithatha kancane kakhulu kanti iyasebenza nayo ngendlela efanayo as long as unendlela yakhona ukuyisebenzisa. Ngizoyichaza leyo nto kwisithunywa samanzi kwi-video regarding isithunywa samanzi and how to communicate with isithunywa samanzi. But use amanzi uhlala uyihlambulule ngawo ukuze uzokwazi ukukhanyisa njalo njengoba indlela yakho lana kahle kahle. The aim in order to be able to communicate with isithunywa sakho, the aim is ukuhlanza umoya wakho and ukubhekisisa umoya wakho i-direction. That is how you communicate with isithunywa sakho. Ngiyabonga for watching thus far. Please like and subscribe and comment if unemibuzo. Ngizokhona ukuphendula kanye ngikwenzele nje i-video straight and upload it la ku-YouTube uzokwazi ukubuka and get